Thank you for joining me on this trip today. This trip today brings us here to Ott'S Exotic Plants here in beautiful SCHWENKSVILLE, Pennsylvania. Gonna walk around, see what they got going on. Check it out. Follow me. Hope ain't no spiders in here. Kinda look like snow. There's a lot of plants right there. Awesome. I'm gonna climb up to the top so I can be on top of the world. Just came out of the tunnel. Let's go on up to higher heights. Let's go. Pretty cloudy day today. Sun's hanging out now though. Kinda hot. When we come from up here, we're gonna go see what's in there and stuff. Legs getting tired. Need some exercise. I'm on top of the world. Pretty awesome view. Up here looks like a desert. These pants look dried out. Guardrail disappeared on this side. Head on down. Come on, grab it. Can't wait to see what's under that dome. Let's head on in. Get low. Gotta get low like the limbo. Oh. Wish we had this in the backyard. Who's that over there?
Are they real?
Yeah. You see them breathe? That's awesome. Oh, yeah, little bananas, look. See?
I want to pet them.
Awesome.
Can I pet the cats?
I don't know. I can't reach them. I didn't know they were real at first either. Was that a little pond or something over there? It is. You're getting comfortable. Man, oh, it's a couple of them. I thought it was only two. There's three of them. Let's see if we try to get this pond here. Somebody takes it, yeah. They having an adventure of their own.
Oh wait, there's bugs on it.
Yeah. That's why I'm like, no. That one look like she's pregnant.
Yeah.
Over here. Yeah. Welcome to the jungle. The waterfall. They might got something. Yeah. Yeah. He's probably hungry. Well, he's talking. He's trying to tell us something. It's extremely hot. Creepy. Get down there. What's going on up in there? Oh, snap. Down there. Somebody got a bottle of can up in there. Arizona thing. Look at this. These things are awesome. Where you get them from? Insurance owners. And on top of the waterfall. This place is amazing. It's beautiful in here. Big plants trying to keep us trapped up here. Gotta get low like the Limbos do. Look at these.
That's when I woke up in my
Like a giant wheel. Step outside and see. Like the color. It's smelling. Oh, hi. Fancy meeting you here. How you guys enjoying the trip so far? It's a nice place. It's beautiful. It's just hot as I don't know what. I think I need a water ice or something. Oh, man. It's a lot going on down there. It's a long way down. Dog, huge flower pot, rooster, and things. Smaller ones, 138. don't see the price on the big giant one. We'll probably put the fish in here. Make that into a pond. Elephant. Little teeny houses. Sheesh. You see it?
No.
You go up over top of it.
See this one.
Yeah, that mist on there. Yeah. There you have it. Ott's Exotic Plants. Hope you had a good time with me today. I don't know what we're gonna do on the next trip, but right now we're gonna go find some food or something. And do remember, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for following me, joining me. Let's go. Oh yeah, before I forget, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Holla!